Uh,
You know, I don't know. That's Kate in Georgia and Charlotte. And what's interesting is you already have the picture. Yeah. What's interesting about this is that my daughters came up with this really cool concept called the creeper in the background. And if you can zoom
You were snoring.
And loud.
And loudly snoring. Not pretty snoring.
You could have woke up the dead.
Oh, you can go down there and snore?
Yeah, because you're bugging me.
Are you going to go in your bed and snore on the table? I'll be back to catch you again.